Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Shark Grand Maja in Fish It Roblox. So the Shark Grand Maja is one of the most legendary and secret fish that is difficult catch in Fish It. So here I'm going to break down the exact location, the specific bait, and also the weather conditions, and also the road that you need to hook this monster. So first, for the location, you need to go inside the ancient ruin on the ancient jungle. So let's go to the ancient jungle first. So once you arrive in the ancient jungle, you can just head inside the sacred temple first and just go down to the ancient ruin. So use the elevator here to teleport. Okay, so now we've arrived in the ancient ruin. So for the location, you can just go down here. And as for me, I'm using the element road, but previously before I got the element road, I'm using the ghost fin road to catch the L shark. And this is the location where I got the uh secret L shark and Maja, this one. And for the roads, I'm using the singularity bait. So try your luck to catch this secret fish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button.